Hi, my name is Omar Nef. Today I want to show you how you can transform these banana peels in organic compost or organic fertilizer. Before we review the materials we need for this project, I would like to share with you the three main benefits of this project. The first benefit, you can transform all the vegetable scraps into compost. The second benefit, you will be able to reduce the amount of scraps that you are putting in the garbage can. And the third benefit, your own health. You will be busy every 2 days doing a healthy activity, controlling your bin once a week, and also every 2 months you will be able to collect and harvest this organic compost in your own home. Now we will review the materials required to do this project. Our first material required is a container, a bin container. Could be new or used, in this case 30 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 50, 40 centimeters container, and you can have a lid. We'll talk a little more about this lid later. And now we'll review the second type of material we need, or the bed. For the bed we need dirt. This dirt could be vegetable dirt from leaves or from the garden. Some leaves, these leaves are dry leaves from the last fall, or leaves that are in this composition in your garden. Here there is some shred paper from the office, and also lastly water. This is rainwater from the rain bottles. Could be water from the tap. And lastly, the material that will be used and they will be transformed in compost. Here we have the rest, the scraps of banana peels, eggs, or vegetables. Or if you have, in this case, a friend gave me these products. This is rest of fruits. These fruits were in the garden, in the floor, under the tree, and the vermicomposting project will transform this into compost. And the last product, and maybe the most important product you need to use in this project, are the worms. The red wigglers, as they are known. You can buy them in Kijiji if you're in Canada, or in a place where people are selling products for fishing. They are the most important of this project, the vermicomposting project. You need these red wigglers. They will do the job. Now that we know the materials required for this project, we will start to prepare our container, our bin. We'll open the bin, and here in the bin we will prepare the bed. We'll use the shred paper. We will use the leaves, dry leaves, or leaves in this composition. We will use the dirt. There's the water. Mix these four products, materials, and we are preparing with this the bed required for the vermicomposting bin. It's a humid bed. They're ready to receive the material. Very simple. So now let's put the vegetables here. Some vegetables, some fruit, and the rest of fruits. Here we are ready to load, and we'll put this in this corner, in this well. I will explain later. what is the purpose of this well. And lastly, and very important, we will add our worms, the red wigglers, in the bin. They will do this great job and transform those vegetables in organic compost. There are 3 important tips that I will recommend you to follow to make sure the best conditions for the red wigglers are here in this container. The first one is this is an aerobic system. It must require that the container and the decomposition area and contain air. In order to assure there is enough air here, you will need to mix the material at least once a month to make sure there is air inside of the decomposition area. And also, if you use a lid like this one, I highly suggest you make holes here, so when you close the container, there is access for the air inside of the container. The second tip I have for you is the water control. You must control the water that you have in this container. Vegetables and fruits contain a high percentage of water. At least 80% of the volume is water. So to control the water, I built this well. It's a plastic. I have another video to show how to do this. This is a plastic with holes, and with this wooden side you will be able to remove the water. The water will drain to this well, and you will need to remove water at least every 2 days. There will be a lot of water generated when the red wigglers will do their work, and you must remove the water. If you don't remove the water, the anaerobic conditions will be created, and this will smell very bad. If you remove the water, this will keep humidity, and the condition will be perfect for the reproduction of the red wigglers and the compost production. Finally, the third tip for you to follow is this. These are some of the products that you cannot put in the container. They are not good for anything that is chili pepper, or any chili product is not recommended for the red wigglers. Also, rest of onions are not good for them. Any product related with milk or milk related like cheese, rest of cheese, are not recommended for food. Don't put them in the container. Nothing related with lactose products. Citrus, lemon juice or orange juice are not good for the red wigglers. I don't recommend. Don't put any citrus in the container. Fat products, butter, margarine, and any fat products are not welcome. Don't put them in the containers. Those are not good for the red wigglers. And also all meat products related, meat, fish, chicken, or any kind of meat are not food for the red wigglers. Please don't do that. Don't put them. So these are some of the products you cannot use in this big container. Make sure you give vegetables and rest of fruits, and they will do a great job and will provide you a rich organic compost for you. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was specially prepared for you. Now you can do your own vermicomposting container and produce your own compost at home from the vegetables and fruits, rest of fruits and rest of vegetables. I encourage you to learn more about this. There is a lot of information in the internet that you can use to learn more about this. It's an entertaining activity. It's friendly with the environment, and you will enjoy the time doing this and improving the quality of life of your garden and your own life. I hope all the best for you, and see you soon.